Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to take off the headlight, bezel, and turn signal off of an International 3800 chassis. Now this also applies to AmTran, REFE, IC, REFE, and this even applies to the ICREs of today because they use the same turn signal, headlight, and bezel. Now the way it works is you've got two screws over here and then two screws at the top and bottom of each side of the turn signal. Now I have already taken out the driver's side just to give myself, a little bit of experience so I know how to do it. I'll go ahead and show you the step-by-step of how to do it. Alright, so before you get started, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver because all these screws would have the Phillips screw in them unless they were replaced with an aftermarket flathead or something like that. So I have this AmTran dome lens to hold my screws. You want to make sure to not lose your screws, so be careful of that. Now, the first part we're going to take a look at is the bezel. So I'm going to come in here with my screwdriver. I'm going to line it up. And one by one take out each screw so that the bezel itself is loose. And I'm going to be putting these screws in my lens so I don't lose them. Alright, now I've got one more screw. Alright, as you can see, I just removed the last screw and the bezel fell out. So the turn signal is actually holding in the bezel. And if you zoom out, you can see that the turn signal is now ready to go. Now this is how it's set up on first gens. IC FE, ICRE, AmTran FE, AmTran RE. So we've got our bezel, right here, and now the turn signal. Now the turn signal should come out in its own little piece. It's obviously still connected to the wiring harness because it has a bulb in it. But what you do here is you just disconnect the connection that would be connected to the bulb. Alright, so the turn signal, as I said, has the connection on the other side that you're going to have to remove. You can see the bulb is there. Now, for this video's purpose, I'm just going to leave it on. Now, the other thing that you'll notice is that the headlight itself is held in by 4 screws, one at each corner of the headlight, and those will have to be removed. Now, once you get the headlight out, there's also a connection that you have to disconnect the light from the wiring harness in the hood, and then once that's free, you can pull the light out and you will have successfully taken out all the lights. Now, going over to the side that I already did it on, you can see what's left of the wiring harness for both ends. You can see they cut the wires because they actually took the turn signal bulb out before I got the bus. So here's my other turn signal lens right here. This one's kind of damaged. Also got the headlight in here. Actually, you guys can see I've got a whole slew of parts down there. But anyways, I hope this video was somewhat entertaining and informational. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If this is something you'd like to see more of, like, for example, how to take a warning light off, how to take the stop sign off, how to take a bumper off, anything else, just let me know and I will do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.